Let's squeeze this one. Whoa, what happened to my fingers? Must have been some fizzy magic.
Was it my imagination, or did I see an egg too?
Now we have our colorful dinosaur egg.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe, what is it?
Let's play with these dinosaurs!
Okay, Phoebe. Let's squeeze this one and squeeze it again. And we can roll this one back and let it go. There it goes again. And let's give this one a big squeeze and a squish. Whoa, so much fun. Okay, Phoebe, what should we pack for your lunch?
Oh, I have no idea what kind of lunch I want.
Oh, I think I have an idea of what kind of lunch you want.
What is it, Fizzy?
It's time for a little fizzy magic. Fizzy, whizzy, bobbizzy, bop.
Dinosaur! It's a dinosaur lunchbox! This is so awesome!
And Phoebe, we have a food surprise for you.
What is it?
Oh, I'll show you, but first, let's decorate your lunchbox.
Oh, I cannot wait!
So this is a lunch bag that our lunchbox goes inside of. Look at this dinosaur with his big teeth. We want to keep Phoebe's lunch cold, so we'll put this dinosaur ice pack in there. In it goes! So before we pack this lunch, let's put some stickers on here. Hey Phoebe!
Yes?
What kind of stickers would you like on your lunchbox?
Pizza! Hello Kitty! Corn! French fries! And a little doggy. Maybe a pug.
Okay, Phoebe, I can do that.
Awesome sauce!
So Phoebe wanted pizza on her lunchbox. Let's go ahead and put this on there. Right in the middle. Looks like it's pepperoni pizza. She also wanted Hello Kitty. This little Hello Kitty is holding a strawberry. Let's put Hello Kitty right down here. She also wanted corn. Look at this cute little ear of corn. Let's go ahead and put it on the lunchbox. Right over here. Phoebe also wanted a pug. This looks like it's a super pug flying in the air. And this super pug is going right here on the lunchbox. Do you remember what other kind of food Phoebe wanted? It was French fries. Let's go ahead and put these French fries on her lunchbox right over here. There, that looks super fun. Now, it's time for some food. What should we put in this lunchbox?
Oh, I have a really good big surprise for this lunch.
Okay, Fizzy. Let's see that fizzy magic.
Fizzy! Whizzy! Bobbizzy! Bop! Whoa! Wow, Fizzy, thanks!
Yeah, no problem. I gave you dinosaur nuggets, trees, and grass.
What?
Miss Hands, give us a hand. Okay, I'm happy to help. Whoa, what happened to my fingers? Must have been some fizzy magic. So Fizzy says we have trees and grass. Let me show you what he's talking about. First, we're going to take our dinosaur nuggets and use edible markers, put little faces on them. We'll just add an eye right here and a smile. Again, just a little eye right here and a smile. And on this other T-Rex, we'll make the eye and a smile. For the grass, I have kiwi fruit. We can put it just like this and make grass below the dinosaur feet. And then we'll spread them out just a little bit so we can add the trees. Broccoli trees. It looks like these dinos are walking in the forest.
That is so much fun! Now, let's put it in my lunchbox.
Okay, Phoebe. We'll take our dinosaurs and put them in here. And we can add our broccoli trees up top here. And we'll put our kiwi over here.
Was it my imagination, or did I see an egg too?
Yes, Phoebe, I know how you love hard-boiled eggs.
Ooh! Are we going to turn it into a dinosaur egg?
Yes, we are, Phoebe.
Awesome sauce!
We'll use our edible markers to make spots on our dinosaur egg. First, we'll use green and make a couple spots on here. And now we can use blue and make some spots on here. Let's add a few red spots. Now some purple spots. And a couple black spots. There! Now we have our colorful dinosaur egg. And we can put it in our lunch.
Is it time for dino desserts?
That's right, Phoebe. We have some fun desserts for you.
I can't wait to see!
We have sour dinosaur gummies. Look, this one looks red and green, pink and yellow, and orange and green. Roar! And they're going in the lunch. Oh no! One fell on a dino nugget. And we have this.
Wait! That looks like a teeny tiny little can. Maybe, oh wait, it says cola. What?
No, it's not actual cola. It's actually little fizzy candies.
Oh, I love it. Thank you.
Let's put that in here. And now that Phoebe's lunch is made, we can put the fun top on it and put it in her lunch bag. And now she's ready to take her lunch to school.
This has been so much fun making a dinosaur lunch. Thank you, Fizzy and Miss Hands.
You're welcome, Phoebe. And I hope you all enjoyed watching. And I hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day. We will
See you
next time.